You've recorded a video on your iPhone, but you want to slow it down and create a cool, slow motion effect. I'll show you 2 ways of slowing down your iPhone videos in just a couple of taps, so make sure you watch this video until the end. Let's start by opening our camera app and record a new video with our phone. I'll first show you how to properly record videos in order to create a smooth, slow motion effect later on. But the second method will explain how to slow down any video from your photo gallery. So make sure that you record your videos in 60 frames per second or higher. Most phones today have the ability to film videos at 120 or 240 frames per second, but you'll set this to at least 60 because when we slow down our video 2 times or slower, the video will play smoothly and it won't be choppy or laggy. I'll record a video real quickly for a couple of seconds, and once you have the video, open it and tap on this edit button in order to open your video editor. Here is our video speed icon at the top, so set this to 50% in order to slow down your video 2 times. You can use this little slider below our video to set the starting and ending point of that slow motion effect, so you can select a part of the video which you want to slow down, or play at that 50% speed, or you can just set this slider so that it starts and ends during your whole video if you need the whole video slowed down. Once you've set the speed to 50%, tap Done to save your slow motion video, and if you want an even smoother effect, try recording at 120 or 240 frames per second before slowing it down. If you don't have a 60 frames per second video or want more control over your slow motion effect, CapCut is a free app that gives you much more flexibility. Download CapCut from the App Store if you don't have it already, then open the app and tap New Project to import the video you want to slow down. Once your video is in the timeline, tap on the clip to select it, then look for the speed option in the bottom menu. Tap on Normal and drag the slider to the left to slow your video down as much as you want, even down to 0.1 times for a really dramatic slow motion effect. CapCut also has a feature called Smooth Slow-Mo that uses AI to add extra frames to your video, making even regular 30 frames per second footage look buttery smooth in slow motion. Just tap the Smooth Slow-Mo toggle after adjusting your speed. And that's everything you need to know about creating slow motion videos on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and I'll see you in the next one.